right? For example, you put this one into, and so this is what you find out.
Okay.
Yeah, and I will see if it's okay not to look at the sum, but looking at the average,
Okay.
and also reports the what I put in here impression. I put the impression into the label, and also let it report impression of average rather than sum.
Okay.
Right. So basically, it shows that you for most of the day, because the axis here means the day. Right. For
Okay.
most of the day, the impression is from 1,500
Yeah.
to 3,000 between this range, but this kind of tendency got decline
Okay.
when it's approached to the end of this month after Christmas.
Okay.
This get weakened in tendency, because that means they show a weak impression
Okay.
demonstrate here. So that will, I don't think you have problem with where are you from this? Is it that one?
You mean my
Your documents.
this
Okay, so I don't see the problem with the graph here, but it's more related with what kind of story you can make here, right? So I would say, first of all, you would say
I meant you got 50% of my assets.
you
Right. I've got assets that are not declared.
pick up
I don't think she knows of them. But what I did is rather than
two
mark this
metrics for analyzing the account profile. More about popularity profile. Popularity. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Oh, yeah. Anyway. So this is something you pick up, but most importantly, sorry, that was.
okay.
So, most importantly, you need to tell a story for this one, showing the tendency, showing the average range of value here.
Okay.
I think that's what I want to say is that your explanation is more important
Okay.
than the. But one thing I haven't received from here is that because for this graph you only choose the impression and like, how about you use another one, user profile click?
Okay. So you mean like impression and profile click?
Is yeah, what I mean is that because these two are all related with the content you posted there, so
Yes.
people view the content, so they get impression.
Yes.
People like the content.
Yeah.
That was about it. Again, it's about the content.
Okay.
So user profile click is more related with the interest on the profile, on the account here. The account here is a bakery shop.
Okay. Yeah.
You also need to chase this over time. Right. So buy time.
Okay.
Buy time could, or maybe, buy time may be better because that one shows that within that month,
Yes.
within that the 1st of the December in 2015 to the last day of the December 2015, what happened,
Okay.
right? The second one, what kind of things you created?
Yeah. I did just only one, and I could not. I mean, because I have a difficult to understand each part. Like, okay, well, I mean, I asked some of my friends, and they said like any kind of graph I can create. I mean, I can match anything.
Yes.
But it depends on what I want
Yeah.
to show on the.
So basically what I expect to see from here is that you need to compare
Oh, I'm sorry about
because
that.
different keyboards compare the, for example, the impression and the for example likes, engagements, and so on,
So anything.
with or without promotion. So
Promotion.
compare the post contents, impression, likes, engagements, and other kind of things with or without promotion.
What do
So-
you mean by with or
So,
without?
for example, in this data, we know that we first of all we focus on. Let me find out. Can I create another? Yeah, create another worksheet here. We create another worksheet. Oh, what happened? Right, another worksheet. Right. So what you need to put in is the post tweet test.
Okay.
We drag it into column, and then see you have so many posts here.
Yeah.
Right. You want to compare with or without. So basically, you can focus on what else do we have? Impression.
Impression
Okay.
is yeah.
Yeah, impression. Put it into rows here. Right. So this is the organic impression for those posts. Again, I want to see it as a average. Okay. And also, do we have some promoted impression? Yes. You can drag it together with that.
Okay.
So see, this one, because they only got three
Yes.
impression, but problem here is very tricky because seen from here looks quite similar.
Yeah.
But if you look at the axis, they have different range of value.
Okay.
First of all, I want to differentiate in color. So for this one, I will make the color into orange.
Yeah.
Right. And secondly, I want to change this from axis. How you? Okay. Okay. Exit that. I'll fix the range of value. For example, this is that number, right? 3655.
I could be
Right.
really
Okay.
intelligent or
Just put it into
really
4.
intelligent.
That's brilliant. That would be really
No, maybe I need 9,000. 9,000. I'm making the 9,000 because I look at this one. This is also out of 9,000, roughly from 9,000. So we can make it comparable.
Okay. To be like the similar
Yes.
number.
Yes.
Okay.
I will put in fix here into 9,000.
Okay.
9,000. Right.
Okay.
Yes. So you can easily figure out. So this compare. But what I found here is an average. Oh, this is still the sum. I want to change into average. Right.
Yeah.
And also pay attention to this. You need to highlight the value. So which shows you the value of that
Yes.
bar. The value of this bar, you go to the mark label, choose always show. And that one goes to mark label, choose always show.
Okay.
Again, for the similar things, you highlight the numbers here.
Wow.
Yeah. So from here, you can easily compare
Yeah.
with or without promotion. Of course, this is much as outperform
Higher.
the situation. That's right.
So I could say this from this one,
Yeah.
the using promote is better because it can
Yeah.
make the
Yeah. I created this one for you, but anytime you want to change slightly this graph, so you go to the sheet 3, that's the sheet 3, right? So we use it to duplicate, we duplicate another one, it's called the sheet 3 2. So you replace these two variables. You replace it, for example, when I'm looking at the like, right? So we put the like here, right? And also replace this one with the promoted like.
okay.
Okay, and also we change the color. So I will change color into whatever color you like.